Now that we've shredded our cabbage, we have it nice fine shreds. See that? We're going to saute our cabbage. I have a pot heating. You just need a nice sturdy pot with a lid. And I'm going to add canola oil. You can tell by the way the oil reacts that this pot is nice and hot, which is perfect. Add our cabbage. It's a little too hot. And remember, cabbage shrinks like any leafy vegetable. Once it gets cooking, it's going to shrink down. So you add a little more than you think you might need because of that. And add our salt and pepper. Always season your vegetables. Salt brings out the flavor of the vegetable itself if you're using the right kind of salt. Sea salt or kosher salt. I'm using gray sea salt from the coast of France, and that's the one I use all the time for cooking and for the table. Now I'm coating the cabbage with the oil. It's going to help its flavor. And this is braised cabbage. Braising means it cooks in liquid. So I'm going to add our vegetable stock. Not too much. There we go. About 2/3 of the way up. I'm going to get that back to a boil. Bring it down to a simmer. And simmer it for about 10 minutes. When we come back, we're going to finish our braised cabbage.